Today we'll show on how to install the granite on an oven. If you have an existing granite that is damaged due to transport or damage by a pizza tool or a cast iron pan, or just by pouring cold water on a hot surface, first you have to remove the old granite, clean the surface to bare metal from the original glue. Then you're going to follow the next steps. The glue that we're going to use is going to be the furnace cement and all-purpose 100% silicone. Use a masking tape to cover the edge so you do not get the paint dirty with the glue. First, we're going to use the furnace cement. This is how you apply the furnace cement. Now we're going to apply the silicone. The furnace cement is straight in front of the opening. Now we're going to apply the granite in place. Make sure then the grooves are sitting properly. You have to wiggle it a little bit, make sure that it's sitting properly. Time for the granite to dry and for you to use the oven, give it at least 7 hours. Remove the excessive